Okay, short reference. At the moment, we did one by one. This example, you already seen the photo. How we can make the noise barrier? Is it possible? We make 3-meter high barrier on both sides. When we look at on plan, this site is a 300-meter long site. And every few days, the construction activity will move. So if the barrier can be moved according to the construction work, it will be much better. Okay, this is the barrier we make. 3-meter high. 3-meter high. Although you can see there is a hole at the water barrier, it is actually covered by an acoustic mat. You can see there is an acoustic mat covering the barrier. Then it seals up all the gap. And the worker is actually working at 1 meter below ground. So it is quite effective for the noise insulation. So this is also easy to move. Every day, only 15 minutes we can install all this panel. So they can move the water barrier to the next location, then install the barrier again. Okay, apart from that, there is some roll machine, pavement machine or concreting machine. They are moving very slowly during the construction. Maybe every hour move 10 meters, something like this. So doing the roll work. So what we did another type of movable barrier. In the YouTube. Okay, construction is underneath the podium or the hung arm station. Entire hung arm station, many construction work inside there 24 hours. However, they need some barrier at the north opening there and the south opening there. So we look at it one by one. There is a lot of the construction work. They have a mini movable batching plant inside the podium. They need a loader to feed the batching plant at this location. And there is a noise barrier at this. This is 4.2 meter high retractable noise barrier. Another barrier, it is 5.8 meter high. And 2 meter high barrier, retractable noise barrier at this location. So this is the barrier. Is sorry, the light is not strong enough. When I asked the engineer, asked them why they don't use the conventional noise barrier, they told me that to make such a barrier, 2 weeks is not enough for them to design the foundation. Because when they make a barrier like this, they need to make sure it will not fall down. They need 2 weeks to design and then find out the suitable material, then purchase the material. But we only need 2 hours. If you call me, I can make the barrier 7 meter high in 2 hours. So this is the difference between the conventional noise barrier and the retractable noise barrier. Okay, this 3 meter high barrier. And on the south opening, this is the photo you already seen. How can we handle it? This is looking from the outside. We are going to build a 4.6 meter high barrier with the water barrier base at the bottom. So this is, after we build, it looks like this. And actually this is the entire process is witnessed by the authority. And at this site condition, we still get 17 dBA insertion loss. So So this is acceptable by the authority. And then this Sunday noise barrier, how can we build it? This is the noise barrier location is blocking the side entrance road. And this is when it make it look how it look like. It is 7 meter high on this side. This is 5.8 meter high. Looking on this side, there is, you can see the barrier is already obstruct half of the road. And there is another type of panel. This is called type B panel. This is type A panel. This is type B panel. So another film, we hope this film could be okay. So you can see the 7 meter high carbon fiber can be handled by one man. So each column takes about 10 minutes to construct. This is showing how it constructs, and all the video you can find from YouTube. Patent and recognition. We have quite a lot of patent. So when you see this, it is, I mean, the money spent on patent is quite a lot, and also the time. And also, then we also got an award from the INCE, the International Institute of Noise Control Engineer, for a paper representing this concept of rechargeable noise barrier.